tungai no ko angakui bigisi mayangi. O kuninga sona tuina ni o mayunik solo o tutigiloi nanui tungai ki kauso te angakumut amalutai na angakuk te ma inongin na soni tungai angakumit inone o nemat Allah te sumayut.
I can't describe how privileged I am to come back to my homeland and to see how my ancestors survived. When I come here, the past comes right in front of me.
Certain places in the world that I've been that music comes up through your feet. And Rama, it does that in a big way. It does it all over the Torngats, but in Rama, it really does it. In some ways, it forces you to listen. It's this ancient thing. It's not just a rock and not just rivers and not just a frozen chunk of something. It's totally alive and it holds memories from thousands of years, good and bad.
I'm already crying, so it is powerful.
Yeah, there's you know what they say, the land has memory, right?
Oh my God, yeah, it's just really, I just feel my parents.
Yeah, it's that kind of place.
Like you say, it has memory. Hmm?
Yeah. Rama Bay is the perfect place to have a concert. You get there and it seems like there's already music happening. There's just so much to be inspired by. This place has to let you in. It's that wild, and it's that remote, and it's that unpredictable.
Okay, it's time for me.
When I go home, I want to take the Torngats with me.
We call them Tungait Mountains. It's the spirits of the land. I believe there's some spirits roaming around. I'm sure there is.